Hello, good morning, guys. Today I want to go again Vanigar, so that's why all guys is waiting for the car, and Dinesh also now ready for the Dinesh also ready for the going to Vanigar, and you can see Nakul also doing acting. You can you can speak with Dinesh.
Hello, today we are going to Vanigad, which is our temple, goddess temple, and which is very famous in Nashik district. So we all are ready, and our vehicle is also ready.
And just come now car, so we are very excited to going to the one. So because nowadays weather is very cool, so all guys is very excited to traveling. And you can see near our Indian experiment guys also and you support the Indian experiment channel and support and subscribe it.
Hello guys, today we travel to Saptasingigad with family, like family tour. So we are so excited to going on this trip with the whole family.
There is a reason behind our vacation, because he is my brother and elder brother, and he is on vacation. So this is the occasion.
So we enjoy New Year and also Christmas vacations.
Okay, to leave now.
Hello guys, you can see we will donate to mask, because mask is very important, because now going on COVID-19. So you can see my younger brother will give all guys to mask provide.
So we go ahead with COVID precautions. So we take this face mask for safety purpose, and I am taking my facial mask. So
Okay,
we
providing to
Using
all
this,
mask, because now going on COVID-19, so that's why and is all guys is my brother, so that's why today is we are very excited, and Dinesh also will explain to again new journey.
so our safety oath is continuous hand wash and wear mask.
So guys, now you can see all member are in the car, so very happy, and you can see you meet the
जाऊ दे काही नाही
आता दुसरी घेऊन घे
काय
कुठे जत्रा चालली
आज के नाही दोन हा
गाणं कसं आलं
काय सांगितलं का
So now we
थोडे
start
मागे
our
गेले बोलेरो
journey.
की घेणे रे एखादी
Now we reach to Chinswad village. So step by step we go ahead reach our destination Saptasingigad, which is very famous in Maharashtra. So called Saptasingigad is very precious place for praying something for all of you. Let's enjoy this journey.
can see car tire puncture, so we now waiting for the new tire. तुम्ही बघू शकता टायर बसवत आहे आणि ते अचानक टायर पंक्चर झाल्यामुळे आता सर्व गाडीच्या बाहेर उतरून टायर.
Now we stop our car because of some technical issue is coming there. Our vehicle backside wheel punctured. So we don't take any issue. We don't have to face any issue. Safely we land our car to stop our car.
I think
We change our last tire.
and I think tire will be early changed because now going on
Within 15 minutes we will change it.
now going on a process you can see, and
Going on.
two member is doing tire changing process. Here Dinesh also solution.
I don't want to say anything because sometimes it happens.
Sometimes
There is no worry to
and was come. Everything is fine. So within 10 to 15 minutes it will be changed and we continue our journey. तो अभी जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा एक प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा टायर फट गया गाड़ी का, जो अभी चेंज हो जाएगा 10-15 मिनट में. तो आफ्टर चेंज होने के बाद हम हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो ऐसे छोटे मोटे प्रॉब्लम आते रहते हैं. अभी टायर वेयर आउट हो गया है, दैट्स वाय.
काही नाही, थोड्या टायमात टायर सुद्धा चेंज होणार आहे आणि बघू शकता टायर चेंज होत आहे आणि doing lunch because all guys feel very hungry, so that's why I think lunch I think I did top car and we did together lunch because hungry is not good for our health because when I want to go in the traveling that time I feel very hungry, so that thing is not good. station. I think I will go near the 20 minutes. You can see there are big hills, big hill, and I want to go there. All places are very very good for the parking and camping, and any car want to eat, any people want to doing lunch, that time they can lunch, because you can see there are also one car. Guys, today weather is very good, so I feel very cool, and because there are not buildings construction, wind is coming very fastly, and this area are reservation, because this area are forest officer, because not private. After lunch you can see finish feeling very good.
It was lunchtime and I have completed lunch. Okay, I just come after. To the very shiny climate now. Our family members are capturing all images. They are enjoying the moments. These are the only feelings. Those feelings we enjoy and can get happiness because of these things. And one should not forget to achieve small happiness in small things.
You can see the all family member are wearing the sweater, because weather are very cool. Because especially hill station is very beautiful, and looking very good, so nicely. So that's why some people like to come and like to visit here. In Maharashtra, Kadwan is very famous city.
तू उभी राही गं पैसे. कशाला? काय रे ट्रेन आनंद
You
होता
can see the Radhe and Radhe's auntie.
राजेबाई
Radhe is saying you please subscribe our channel. Because we are going to near the temple.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
Firstly, when you want to go near the Saptasangi Mandir, at that time firstly you visit near the Tirusur, because here is first step of the going to up, and you can see there are security guards because COVID situation are going on, so that's why they are saying to compulsory they are saying to wear mask. So you see one lady are taking the
The history of this temple was that it is believed that there was a demon called Mahishasur, and the goddess was Saptasangi Devi. That time the demon was very dangerous, and he troubles all people in that time, and all people praise the goddess Saptasangi that she will help the people and destroy the demons, and that Saptasangi goddess take the birth and at the in the Vani God. Here Devi, I mean goddess, cut the head of that bloody demon, and people was free. People were free from the fear and all troubles from this Rakshasas. So it is believed that Devi, Saptasungi Devi, fulfill all the needs and wishes of all devotees.
You can see there are also canteen. Many people want to do the lunch. They can do lunch because there are canteen, and sometime also I did dinner in the trust because very cheapest dinner in the trust because very long distance people like to visit here, so that's why government was saying to any people who want to need trust that time they people कुछ special.
हाँ चलो एक माता की पूजा जो है दोनों नवरात्रि में होती है और चैत्र के महीने में यहाँ पर बहुत बड़ा मेला लगता है और वैसे हर पूर्णमासी को यहाँ मेला भरता है और हर हफ्ते में रविवार, मंगलवार और शुक्रवार को भी मेला भरता है।
ये कितने साल पुराना है?
ये स्वयंभू माता है। ये स्वयंभू माता है। ये जो है तो यहाँ से प्रकट हुई है। हाँ, यहाँ पर महिषासुर का गांव है। यहाँ पर महिषासुर भी रहता था है। तो यहाँ पर उसके महिषासुर के पिता का नाम था रंभा जी। उन्होंने अग्नि की पूजा करके और महिषासुर को वरदान के रूप में मांगा था। तो महिषासुर महिषी पुत्र है जो कि अग्निदेव वरदान दिए थे। अग्निदेव के वरदान देने से महिषी से विवाह करके वह जो है महिषासुर को पैदा किया और पैदा करने के बाद में वो महातेजस्वी हुआ। वो तीनों लोक में अपना राज्य स्थापित किया। राज्य स्थापित करने के बाद में अनाचार दुराचार किया। इसके वास्ते जो है माता जी का वाहन सब लोग किए। देवता लोग, मानव लोग, किन्नर लोग सब लोग किए। इसके बाद जो है तो माता जी प्रकट होकर के उसका वध किया। तब से जो है तो पृथ्वी में शांति हुई, तीनों लोगों में शांति हुई। यही इस यहाँ का इतिहास है।
I would like to say thanks for the uncle because uncle giving to the more information because information is deep. Uncle giving me deep information because this information is not I don't have, so that's why I asked to uncle how is the information of the historical, so that's why the uncle giving me help to and say to this place are nearest 1000 year before these people are this place are was very demons people was present, so that's why I know how is the history of the Karwan city.
पहले से
Yeah, this uncle was saying 2000 before.
This was a saint, and he was saying that demon called Mahishasura was killed by goddess Saptashringi, and goddess give blessings to all his devotees. After killing by this demon, all peoples thank to goddess, and they respectfully bow their heads towards goddess. The saint was saying that in the month of October, the celebration called Navratri is celebrated in the month of October.